What's up guys, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about fun stuff related to coins and currencies around the world. So as you may have checked this video by seeing the thumbnail, we are going to discuss about world's only plastic currency, or plastic coins to be precise, from the Transnistria. So these coins, some of you might already have it, some of you might be like thinking these are fake coins, so don't know much about it. So in this video I'm going to explain all the stuff that I know about these coins, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon near to that, so you will be getting all the updates by the channel as a notification and you will not be missing any fun stuff. So without taking much time of you, let's go into the video. But before that, I think it's necessary to talk a little bit related to Transnistria, a country that is situated near Moldova. So Transnistria is a breakaway state that is actually considered as a part of Moldova by a lot of countries around the world. I mean, majority of the countries consider this thin strip of land between the Dnistria river and the Ukraine in the Eastern Europe as a part of Moldova only. Only 3 non-United Nations recognized states, which are also considered as the free zone or the frozen conflict zone after the Soviet War, is considering this part as also a country. So the countries like Abkhazia, South Ossetia and Astrak or Nagorno-Karabakh, which was in news for the couple of weeks before because a war is going on there. These are the places which considered this particular region as a country in itself. So this is actually officially known as the Transnistrian Moldovan Republic. As I said, this is considered as a part of Moldova by a majority of the countries. So they are actually a ethnic group which is supported by the Russians and Ukrainians majoritively, because earlier this particular region was a region which is coming under the Romania, and when the Soviet Socialist government wanted to capture a certain area, they created a kind of issue and turmoil there, and this standard as a kind of neutral part, and they tend to join the Soviet socialist thing. So if you are looking now also in the Transnistria, you can see the Soviet socialist kind of environment is still followed. So that is considered as a separate nation in a lot of ways. For example, Moldova itself considered it as a Transnistrian autonomous territorial unit with special and legal rights. So they have came up with these particular coins in the year August of 2014. August 22nd of 2014, they have issued these 4 coins. So let's look more in detail about these particular coins of the composite coins of Transnistria. So these are made of plastic material. 4 of them have been issued by Transnistria for value. The first one is of 1 ruble, which is in round shape and in a yellowish orange color. The image you can see here is of Alexander V. Survov, who was a military leader in Transnistria, who was a Russian military leader. The other side you can see a diamond design with PRB written, which is the Transnistrian Republican Bank. The next one is of a square shape in greenish color. The image is of FPD Volan, who is also a kind of military engineer. It follows the same kind of design in the other side. All of them are plain edges and made of composite material. The third one in the line is made of is in pentagon shape, which is in blue color. The image is that of Sadyrsky, who was again a military leader from Russia. The same kind of pattern is followed here, and the last one, the final one, is in hexagonal shape, which is having an image of Catherine, who was an empress in Russia, which is made of reddish color. So this is the highest value coin that they have issued in the composite series in 2014. So not only this composite kind of coins, they have also issued metal version of their coins. So this is a 1 kopeck metal coin of the Transnistria, which is issued in the 2000, That's also they have issued. So initial days they have overstamped over the Russian currency, the Soviet currency, and used it as the currency. So this one is the Russian ruble overprinted version of their currency, and this is the currency that they have issued in 1994 to be used in the Transnistria, the Transnistrian ruble currency. So these are the monetary units that is used in Transnistria. So these are not fake coins or banknotes, these are the real one used in that particular territory. Only they have limited recognition, that's the thing that you have to think. So it's a very interesting thing to be in collection. So I hope you find this interesting, and if you want more like this to be coming to you in daily basis, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not be missing any such important update by the channel. So till meeting with a new video on a new fun topic related, bye.